Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your passive income with Eventbrite, complete guide step by step clearly. First, create an Eventbrite account by visiting the Eventbrite website. Fill in your personal information and verify your email address to activate your. Once logged in, navigate to the Create Event button on your dashboard. Choose an event type that aligns with your skills and target audience. Set a clear and enticing event name to attract potential attendees. Define the date, time, and location of your event to ensure easy planning. Create a detailed event description, highlighting the value and benefits for attendees. Select the ticket types you want to offer, including free, paid, or donations. Set your pricing carefully, considering your target audience and event expenses. Configure any additional features such as discounts, promo codes, or group rates. Design eye-catching promotional materials and add them to your event page. Leverage Eventbrite's promotional tools to expand your reach and engagement. Share your event on social media platforms relevant to your target audience. Follow up with attendees after the event to gather feedback and maintain relationships. Analyze your event metrics on Eventbrite to understand attendance patterns and preferences. Use the insights gained to refine and improve future events. Repeat this process to scale your passive income by continually hosting new events. Consider creating a series of events to build a loyal audience over time. Finally, explore partnerships with influencers or organizations to further enhance your reach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.